Ever wondered which color theme actually controls the majority of your Squarespace template? Knowing how to find your template's default dominant color theme helps you choose the right template from the start and makes site-wide rebranding fast and painless. On screen, you can see the 3 big benefits of finding this dominant theme. You can also read our full in-depth guide on our website, linked in the description below. In this quick video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to identify the dominant color theme of any default Squarespace template. Method number 1 is checking section settings, and this is the most accurate method. Open your homepage or any blog post, and click Edit in the top left corner. Hover over the top right corner of any section using your site's main background color, and click Edit Section. In the Section Editor panel, switch to the Colors tab. Look at the grid of 10 color themes. The theme currently highlighted with a checkmark is the active theme for that section. In my case, it's lightest one with white background. Now check 2 or 3 other sections across your homepage or blog posts. The color theme highlighted across the vast majority of your sections site-wide is your template's dominant color theme. Method number 2 is using the Add Section pop-up preview. While still in edit mode, click Add Section between any 2 sections. A pop-up window will appear displaying pre-built design layouts for intros, contact, services, and more. Observe the thumbnail backgrounds. You'll notice that most layout cards are rendered using one primary background color, the white in my case, which reflects the template's dominant theme. A few blocks might display accent or contrast colors. When you click and add any pre-built layout, Squarespace inserts it with that exact color theme. This gives you an instant visual confirmation of the base theme used across 80% or more of your website. So, in my case, it is confirmed that the default dominant color on my Squarespace template is lightest one with white background. Before you go, if you want your headings, paragraphs, form blocks, and carousels to look clean and pass strict WCAG accessibility standards, check out our custom color themes. You can grab professional WCAG-tested Squarespace color palettes completely free on our website. The link is right down in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.